Today's video will be all about CPA marketing. Still looking for a video that can help you? I guarantee you that right after watching this video, you can instantly go and try it by yourself. This method is completely free, and you can do it even if you are broke. I'm going to take you through this plan step by step, so stay tuned because there will be a lot of useful information in this video. Well then, CPA marketing is when you get certain amount of money when people do a certain action. They can enter their email, do a survey, or click on some ads and so on. It is much easier than affiliate marketing because you don't need to sell anything to anybody, so there is an easier alternative for this. You basically show them some link on the screen where they need to sign up and they don't need to pay their money. Let's move on to our plan. In fact, you just need to find these offers and promote them. And then right after people do a certain action, you get paid. You might get from a few cents to a few dollars per one action. Okay, let's start with who you are now. You have $0, no social media, no website. Don't worry, I will show you the way how you can make it easily. At first, let's find some offers. We can't go further without them, right? The most trusted website I personally use is OfferVault. The next one I can recommend is ODiggers. But OfferVault is more worldwide, so it will be much useful. Choose the niche you personally like: traveling, diets, business, and so on. Next thing I need you to do is to find the most profitable offer from all of them. You have to count how much money will you get and how much energy will you put into this niche. But this all is pretty useless if you won't do the next thing. As soon as you chose one, you have to create a social media fundament. We will grow through this process and make more and more money every month. The best platform for this is TikTok. But you have to have an Instagram account too for these kind of things so people can message you. You have to analyze what is trending on these platforms and do the similar content, but somehow mentioning the link in your video. For example, if you choose some traveling agency, you can go to a place where is a good view, do some content here, and at the end, say that if people want to travel there, they might ask directly this travel agency. Then you will make people click and earn dollars on it. But the problem is, it is not that easy to promote these videos, so it will take maybe years to become visible on these platforms. At first, post as much as you can. Second, find people and collaborate with them. And third, try different content style. You can try jokes, relatable content making, blogging. In fact, the promotion of this product is the hardest part in all of this strategy. But there is nothing I can do. Just believe in you all, guys. See you.